In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an online store in Wix. Whether you're starting a new business or transitioning your existing store online, Wix provides a user-friendly builder to make your setup process smooth and efficient. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Wix website by typing in wix.com into your browser. Once there, you'll want to sign into your account. If you haven't registered already, you can create a new account quite easily. Just follow the prompts to input your email and create a secure password. For those who already have an account, just input your login credentials and hit Sign In. After you've successfully logged in, look for the option labeled Create New Site. This is your starting point to build an online presence. Clicking this will lead you to a new section where you need to set up your store name and type. Consider a name that truly reflects your business identity and resonates well with your target audience. Once you have that sorted, hit Continue to proceed to the next step in your site setup. You will now be prompted to write the store name again, ensuring it matches your business branding objectives. It might seem repetitive, but it's a critical step to personalize your online storefront. Once this is filled out, click Continue once more. Moving ahead, Wix will ask about your current store status. In most cases, if you're just setting up, select No, I'm just starting out. This helps Wix tailor the support and resources to fit a new entrepreneur's needs. Then, guess what? Yes, click Continue again. Next, you'll need to select the type of products you plan to sell. This helps Wix to recommend templates and settings that suit your business type. Are you selling physical goods, digital products, or maybe services? Make the appropriate selection and proceed by clicking Continue. Following that, Wix will inquire about how you plan on offering your products or services. Options may include shipping products, offering local pickup, or providing digital downloads. Select your preference to ensure your store is set up perfectly for your logistic needs. And again, hit that Continue button. Finally, to complete the initial setup phase, click on Continue to Dashboard. This will take you to your store's main control panel, where you can start personalizing your design, uploading products, setting prices, and eventually launching your store to the world. By following these steps, you've laid down the groundwork for a thriving online store using Wix. Remember, while it's relatively simple to set up, the key to success lies in continuously updating and optimizing your store to meet customer expectations and market demands. Stay tuned for more tutorials on enhancing your online business presence with Wix. Until next time, happy selling.